Well, Zeke, I wanted today to talk about despair. And I'm not going to tell you why I want to talk about it, at least not right now. But I want you to talk a little bit about despair. Well, despair is something that infects. It's a contagion, really. Um, Despair spreads, and it can kill you, or you can use that despair to forge a new life. Okay, if you forge this new life, what would it be? Well, it can be anything you want it to be. You could be, you could produce a video that got millions of views. We could do that. Oh yeah, yeah, and it would all grow out of the despair. Really? Millions of views? Could be, yeah. Wow.